It's your birthday, let's go out and play. Let's forget about what happened in the past 5 days. Bobby, come here and take my hand. Take my hand. Together we'll walk along in the sand. I don't know where we'll go, but the sun will feel good on your face. What a lovely place to be here with you, and me, just us two. That's my present to you. There's nothing like taking a walk in the park. I know you need some rest from this weary heart of yours, and I've got the answer to what's troubling you. Come on, look me straight in the eyes and do this. You won't regret it. Bobby, come here and take my hand. Hold together, we will. Together we'll walk along in the sand. I don't know where we'll go, but the sun will feel good on your face. So good. What a lovely place to be here with you, and me, just us two. That's my present to you. That girl wasn't nothing to get caught up in, to think you had a future. That girl wasn't nothing, 'cause she didn't realize just what she had in you. As far as I'm concerned, you've got so much more going on. You're one of a kind, and any girl would be lucky to have you. Bobby, come here and take my hand. Take my hand and together we'll walk along in the sand. I don't know where we'll go, but the sun will feel good on your face. What a lovely place to be here with you, and me, just us two. That's my present to you. I don't know why I've got my heart on the line for you. I think I know why. I try so hard to help you get over her. Something inside me tells me it's not just for you, it's for me to see if I can get you to realize. No. Bobby, I think I love you.